Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned baked beans better. First, select a good quality can of baked beans as your foundation. Next, drain about 1/4 of the liquid to achieve a richer, thicker texture. Then, introduce a smoky meat, like crispy bacon or diced ham, for a profound depth of flavor. Finally, balance the sweetness with a tangy component, such as a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or a dash of Worcestershire sauce, to truly elevate your dish. To truly transform your beans, consider these key flavor boosters. Stir in 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar or pure maple syrup for a deeper, more complex sweetness. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard provides a delightful, subtle tang that cuts through the richness. For an extra layer of smoky goodness, add about 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And if you enjoy a little kick, a small pinch of cayenne pepper will introduce a pleasant warmth without overwhelming the dish. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to cook them to perfection. Combine everything in a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot or an oven-safe baking dish. If cooking on the stovetop, simmer gently over low heat for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. For oven baking, preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 45 to 60 minutes. This slow cooking process allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen, creating an unforgettable side dish. To complete your culinary masterpiece, consider these serving and storage tips. Before serving, a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives adds a lovely pop of color and freshness. These enhanced baked beans are perfect served warm alongside grilled meats, at a barbecue, or as a comforting addition to any potluck. If you have any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave for another delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.